What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So let me know what you guys think about this. It's kind of large, but it actually flows with the car. The orange isn't perfect, but it's pretty damn close. And check out the carbon fiber right there. So these stickers are lighter than your normal sticker because of the carbon fiber. Scientifically proven. Anyways, let me know if you guys like those. I think it looks pretty cool. Anyways, I just got a huge package from Motion Raceworks, but I don't want to show you guys just yet. The freaking parts are piling up on this car. We've got a lot of work to do. Pretty much what we're gonna start doing now is getting the car ready for the private track rental in Houston in January. Now I know. Seems like a long time away, but we will probably hit a track rental from here until then. But my biggest focus is that track rental, so I really wanna focus on getting all these new parts in. Like I said, CO2, new boost controllers coming in. I just got some new stuff from Motion Raceworks. I'll show you guys on the next video, but there's a lot of work to be done. Biggest thing really is the boost controller and the CO2, getting that figured out so we can have consistent boost pressure and have accurate boost pressure. That way we know exactly what our boost is at so we can make some more power at the back half of the track. So we're gonna get that set up, and on the next video, I'll show you guys what I actually got from Motion Raceworks, but I don't wanna show you guys just yet. But my good friend Doug over there, he did send us something for Joe. So I'm gonna take that over to Joe's and I'll take you guys with me. Now guys, I can't make this stuff up. I'm all about supporting. Everyone's got different taste in vehicles, but what is that? Like, what is that? It's like Bionic Man and a Charger. Look at this. I can't make this stuff up, people. This is real life. But I support everyone's builds. If you like it, go for it. Like, I bring this guy a gift, and look how he treats me, man. I almost forgot how to get over here, too. Just kidding. You know, you haven't been in a video since you gapped me and put like 2 Titanics on me.
Is that so?
I was embarrassed.
Has anyone been asking for me?
No, because you beat me so bad, they're like, man, it's over now. Oh, I think I got some somewhere.
That's pretty nice.
That's nice, right? So Joe is now an official Motion Raceworks catch can user.
That's pretty nice.
Yeah, it's got different types of drains. So this is the same catch can I got. No, Joe's got one for the Trans Am.
Woo-wee.
Fancy stuff. Nice
this
billet.
Is fancy. This is nice.
Yeah, so it's baffled in there, so the filter's not gonna get all dirty.
Steering wheel.
And Joe, we got to give him a steering wheel too.
He's
That's
supposed
next.
To give me a steering wheel. I've been waiting on it forever. I see all these posts. People.
I know everyone has their except ours. I got mine today though. It's a nice piece. Joe, where have you been, man? I haven't seen you. I've been out racing. The car's just been sitting here.
You don't come by anymore.
So,
Dave! When you go to the store.
Oh yeah, we gotta go to the store. Anyways,
plug the SS real quick.
The SS is for sale. Everyone, look at the man. It looks good on camera too.
It's clean.
But the SS is for sale. If anyone, I know a lot of people have been asking about this car. You guys always say how clean it is. Can you give them the quick rundown? 2015.
I'm a second owner. 37,000 miles, automatic. Some like it hot, red metallic is the official color code.
Look at that color. Goodness.
It's lowered. It's got TSW wheels. It's got the front splitter. It's all black because if you know SS's, these come with all chrome trim.
Oh, really?
So this has got all blacked out trim. The Holden conversion, so it's got the Holden airbag, the Holden badges front and back. Black grills. And these are all GM parts. These aren't like China, eBay stuff. Like, it's all nice stuff. I don't know if I said BMR lowering springs. It's got a solo catback exhaust and a VCM cold air intake. So it's just bolt-ons, like major mods, windows tinted, and all that stuff. Literally perfect daily driver. Perfect daily driver, great condition. Heads-up display, leather, heated, cooled seats, sunroof. Like, yeah, it's a great. This thing's loaded. Yeah, no, it's fully loaded. And yeah, I'm asking 35 grand, give or take. It's fair market value, right? No, I think it's really good price. Cheap. Like, I did some feeler threads out there, and I think most people thought it was like 34 to 36, and then all the mods really help. Like, it's got a lot of money in mods, and that's pretty much like if you were to go to a dealer and get the same year model, you're probably gonna spend 35 grand. Oh yeah. So yeah, you're getting wheels lowering, all the blackout and everything. It's a good looking car. Is it unlocked? Oh yeah. Ooh, it's even unlocked. Look at the mint interior too. Yeah, no, it just had it detailed. Like, it's super clean. Oh, it looks good. Smells good too. Thanks, buddy.
And if you guys know, Joe's super meticulous, so of course it's really taken care of.
So I just went through and did an oil change, checked all the fluids. I did a rear brake job. I even polished like the inside of the wheels.
Did the back side of the barrel?
Like, seriously, I really did. Like I took all the wheels off and cleaned them.
This is why David's car can't be over here.
Yeah. So yeah, I won't drive it now because I want to get it dirty. Like it's perfect, clean, it's perfect. Brand new looking, like it's fresh, it's ready to go.
So guys, the plus is if we sell this, now I can get my parking spot back.
Is that how you're gonna try to pitch that?
That's my pitch right here.
The new car that I have sitting in storage, waiting to come home.
Oh my gosh, I knew it. I should have known there was something going on. But anyways, if you guys want, hit up Joe. What's your email or Facebook or what do you want?
DM me on Instagram.
There you go.
Streetcar Joe. I mean, how
Streetcar Joe. What if they don't? A lot of people don't have Instagram though.
Okay, if you don't have Instagram, email me davidvanvorst@hotmail.com.
There you go. Okay, you send me an email. I'll get you in touch with Joe if you're actually seriously interested.
He's gonna log in with his 56K motor to check his email.
Dial up. But yeah, so it's for sale. Super mint car. You got a lot of people like this car on the channel.
It's your chance to own it.
And it's your chance to own it. Super good daily driver. If you're looking for a 4-door car with some good power, you could put an LSA blower on here and you can be fast.
I'll give something to Dave if one of your subscribers.
There you go. See? So guys, email me or DM Streetcar Joe.
Besides dinner, because I owe like 100 dinners.
Yeah, you owe a lot of people dinner.
So not dinner. I'll give you something else.
So what's going on with the car?
No, it's ready to race.
It's just ready to go, huh?
Yeah, don't show stuff down here.
Well, you got some new stuff in there?
No, it's ready to go. Like I was debating actually going somewhere this weekend. So
really?
Yeah. Are you going to that private test? Not the private one, but
the other one.
Yeah, I saw that one. And
it's only $35.
I know. Well, because it's going to be open to everyone.
Yeah, everyone's going to be there.
So I was worried the prep's not going to be there. But.
No, he said. I mean, he named it like something. What are you going to break? But
yeah.
So, but you're not. Is there not? There's really not many races coming up, right?
No, like
you're not really gonna.
San Antonio, but I don't know if I'm going. It's the same weekend as that.
Oh, really? Mm-hmm. So yeah, there's Winter Meltdown, but that's a no prep race. Joe waited like 8 hours to make one pass.
Well, again, I just made a bunch of changes to make the car more prepped. So
yeah.
I don't know. I'm on the fence on that one still, but yeah, no, it's like we need to find events because I hear they're going to cancel one next weekend.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because they don't have anyone that's interested. He says he's got to have 15 minimum.
Yeah.
And like he doesn't even have 10 that have confirmed. And he's got only one that's paid.
And I like going to TJ Bailey stuff. They do really good prep. Yeah. So, but yeah, so we're trying to get the cars out. I've got a bunch of changes I'm going to make to my car. So we'll probably just ride with Joe next time we go because I got a bunch of stuff I need to go.
And Dave is being a little and won't go the 30th.
I might be able to go that weekend.
Oh, I thought you said you absolutely couldn't.
Probably not, but
okay.
Let me look at my schedule.
I thought it was a Kennedy conflict. Kennedy!
You're getting me in trouble now. But yeah, so Joe's ready to go. Oh, we've got that coming up too. February. That'll be your first big race of 2020, right?
Oh, the flashlight show.
Yeah. Because there's really... ain't got nothing going on before that.
New personal best. Have you even been over here since I won a new personal best?
No, because you gapped me and embarrassed me in front of everybody. Yeah, because I was embarrassed.
So I won a new personal best. We're not discussing times yet.
Oh, email me. I'll tell you the time.
The reason is because I'm looking to still improve on it for 2019. So like my best time will be public for 2019. Like I don't hide my times really. Yeah, I still have some maybe no time racing left this year, so I don't want to go posting my times. So people could get upset about that. But my best time of this year will be public at the end of the year. I'll make a Facebook post and it's going to be public. Like I don't hide my times, I don't hide my weight, I don't hide my mods. Like it's all public. But being I still make no time race, I want to go black with my times.
What's the race? There's a few races you can't say times for a year. Ducks race,
those are
right?
like the hardcore no time races. Yeah. You can't class race or have raced anybody that has class race in the last year. Once you like the boards, you're banned from racing those classes for a year. They're hardcore, man.
See, when you start doing those races.
They all know what each other are on.
Oh, yeah,
like,
you can figure it out.
Yeah, it's so silly.
We got to do more racing like that. I want to do some no time stuff.
All right, let's do it.
That's where the heavy hitters are.
That's where the heavy hitters are. So yeah, I won new personal best. I lost that race I won a new personal best in, but still won a new personal best against my good friend Derek Kelly.
I'm waiting for you to gap him, man. Dude, I need to see it.
I had that race.
That was a good race.
Like a car on him in the 60-foot. Like I treat him by like 5 or 600ths on the tree. I out 60-footed him by a half a tenth, 5 or 600ths. I had a tenth on him at the 60-foot.
He's making that much power.
His overall, he beat me by like just over 10th. So like at the stripe, it was, I mean, we were there because I had the starting line advantage. Like it was there. I thought I won the race. Like I really did. It was a good race.
He just has that much power, I guess, right?
No, he did. Like,
I mean, his car's
I'm
lighter.
not gonna say how much mile an hour, but he had a lot of miles. Like, it's
he was coming. So,
and not to say like he's a smart elimination racer. Yes, he can out 60-foot me, and he could have out reaction timed me, but he's smart. Like he knows like I'm a slower car, so he's going to be a little late on the light. He's got a softer tune-up in it. He's going to make sure he goes 80.
Yeah.
And I'm throwing everything I got at it.
I mean, but you do that to some people too. Like, you know, like, okay, I don't have to go crazy on this one. I mean, you play to what you're racing, you know?
Like you're racing.
Oh! I cut the best tree of my life,
I know.
and you put 6 Titanics on me.
What's funny is neither one of us cut that good of a light. But anyways, you did beat me on light by 1/100.
Gosh.
It's funny because I told someone like right in the stage lines too, and I'm like, I'm going to be late on the light because I don't want a red light.
Oh my God.
So hopefully guys enjoyed that video. If you guys are actually interested in buying Joseph's Chevy SS, shoot me an email, DM, message on Facebook. We'll get you guys in touch with Joseph if you're actually serious about buying it. But I've got a lot of install videos coming on the car. The boost controller actually just showed up last night. Let me grab it real quick. Guys, so here's the boost controller. Did end up going with the AMS 1000. I just, based off what we're trying to do, I figured that this would be the best boost controller for it. It's got time-based ramp up for the boost, so we can actually set the, obviously you can't see it, but we can set the boost at a launch, and then each second, or 1.2, 1.4, 1.5, whatever we set the seconds at, we can change the boost for that time. So I think this will work out perfectly. We've got a lot of wiring to do. We've got to set the dome pressure sensor in the wastegate. Tons of stuff to be done, but that's going to come on some future videos next week. I'm going to start tearing the car apart today because I've got a lot of other stuff we got to do to it. So we're going to get working on the car. Hopefully be back in the next couple weeks testing the car, but tons of stuff going on right now for the tanks. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. Like I said, message me if you're actually interested in Joseph's SS so we can get that sold so my car can go back over to Joe's so I can annoy Joe more. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys on the next one.